The tractor tire cannot be used normally, but after being refurbished using the special method of skilled craftsmen, it can extend the tire's usability for up to 10 years. In front of you is a mechanical workshop in Karachi, Pakistan, where a tire refurbishing expert will amaze you with their exquisite craftsmanship. Let's see how they turn waste into treasure. The mechanic employs a special tool to remove excess rubber from the tire. This tire has suffered wear and tear over time, and its traction and grip have significantly diminished. However, due to the owner's limited finances, they cannot afford a new tire priced at 85,000 rupees. Therefore, they've chosen to repair the old tire. After the mechanical refurbishment, the tire will look just like a new one. Following the tire tread grinding, the mechanic applies a layer of black-colored vulcanizing compound. This compound can reduce the tire rubber's stiffness, enhancing its elasticity. Except for certain types of heat-resistant rubber that do not require vulcanizing compound, it will be used during tire repair and patching. The mechanical properties of the vulcanizing compound in the area are greatly improved, resulting in a stronger and more reliable tire bond. Once the vulcanizing agent is evenly applied, the mechanic places a new rubber piece, and the tire casing is attached to the tire's surface. We can clearly see that the rubber piece used as the tire casing is quite thick. Although the mechanic only charges 2,000 rupees, the quality is also impressive. They use mostly premium materials and provide a warranty of up to 2.5 years. After applying, a roller presses the rubber piece tightly onto the tire until the tire and the rubber sheet are securely bonded. Then, they lift the tire into a fixed mold for reinforcement. In the subsequent high-temperature and high-pressure environment, if not secure, the tire may not maintain the desired shape. After repairs, two mechanics place the tire into a shaping mold. The high temperature and pressure within this mold can form the tire's outer tread. After 3 hours inside the mold, the final shape of the tire is achieved. From the video, we can clearly see that the refurbished tire is indistinguishable from a new one. It must be said that the repair and refurbishment technology of these craftsmen is truly remarkable. However, there is a question: can the quality of these refurbished tires guarantee safety? If you were in this situation, would you dare to use these tires for driving on the road?